Hi, my name's David Gosling and I'm the manager at Drylining Supplies Limited. Before we got the Happy POS till system, our old system was hugely labour intensive, had a huge amount of human error and had no stock management whatsoever. Manually searching for every price out of a price book and then handwriting every ticket for every transaction, with all these manual processes there was a lot of room for human error. And with the stock management, there was no stock transparency. There was no easy way to see what was shrinkage, what was selling, what wasn't selling, and I had to do everything manually. Since switching to the Happy POS system, the day-to-day running of the company has been a lot more efficient and we have a lot better stock control. Now when serving customers, all the prices are automatically loaded onto the till. Combined with the integrated card machines, it has completely eliminated human error at the point of sale. Doing the end of the day reconciliation and the back office is a lot more efficient. On average, it's probably saved me about an hour a day. By having the till system integrated with Sage Accounting, this allows us to cut back on how much we spent on our accounting. This has saved us over £1,000 per year. The feedback from our customers since getting the till system is they think we look more professional for having it and they get served quicker, and we can tell them instantly whether the item they want is in stock or out of stock. We have an online store on our website and it's really useful where we can take the tablet out of the till system to scan items when we pick them. Big benefit of this is that it highlights if there's any pricing errors on our website. Now we've got a live and accurate stock system, we can identify shrinkage across our site. Another great benefit of this is we can see what products are selling, which products have the highest margins and which products aren't selling. Since implementing the Happy POS solution, our company has become more streamlined, efficient and as a result more profitable. I would definitely recommend this system for other businesses. For me, it's been a game changer.